Kraftful is a tool that can be used to find the best practices amongst other successful companies to help you build out your product and get it off of the line and have an organized, streamlined, and trustable reference. Now, this is really awesome because these sources are verified and they're up to date. Let's dive into Kraftful and see how Kraftful and ChatGPT can help us get our business off the floor. The first prompt I started with: what would I use Kraftful for, and what are the steps to maximizing on my effectiveness using ChatGPT and Kraftful together? It tells me what Kraftful is: a plugin designed to enhance your product development expertise by providing access to best practices from reputable sources. Of course, you can ask it to write questions. It'll write clear product documentation and more, as it shows below. So what I love about this is that you can always ask and it gives you the steps. 1, identify your needs. 2, ask questions, and it makes sure to let you know the more specific your question, the better the AI can help. Explore the best practices amongst other companies, write documentation, iterate and improve, and then as well to stay informed with what's going on amongst the best practices from reputable sources. We're going to move forward and check out how this plays out. Now, I need help with product development brainstorming. I have extra time and money to begin an app meant to help people meditate. I just pretended all I know is that I have the resources to do something effective. I know in order to have a successful business, you need to be helping people, and I feel called to do meditation. So let's see how it responds to my prompt. 1, empathize with the user. Now, this is information from current reputable sources. Understand the needs and challenges of your target audience. This could be stress relief, better sleep, improved focus, or other benefits associated with meditation. Empathy is a crucial component of the design thinking process. It allows you to understand users, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions. Now, if you already have expertise, I can only imagine how much this will help you maximize. But also, for getting started off the ground, this is an awesome tool, and I know from my business experience that empathizing with the user is absolutely critical, and I'm happy they listed that as number 1. Number 2, validate the market. It's not even going to let you easily run off and start a project that's not going to have any returns on it. It lets you know that it's super important to make sure what you're supplying is in demand. This is a great place to start, and it gives me the ability to utilize this tool to its maximum potential. Now, it's also dropped a few links to help me continue the research on getting started with my project. I decided to use another prompt, and I asked, what are the best practices for expanding and reaching and discovering my audience of those who enjoy meditation apps? Check out what it does here. It tells me again to understand my audience. Then it says to find your niche. Be 100% focused on the problem you're trying to solve or the unique experience you want to provide. This will help you attract a specific audience that is interested in what your app has to offer. I think that this information is super foolproof, and just in case I didn't, it provides the link directly to the source. Engage with users, gamified elements, ask for feedback. It says get friends, family, and colleagues to help use the app and share their thoughts. One thing that I know is absolutely crucial when finalizing a product is getting that user feedback. Optimize outreach timing, promote retention, promoting features, and use analytics. Let's check out one of these links and see where it takes us. I'm going to open step 6, which is to promote retention, promoting features. The complete guide to churn prevention and mitigation. It's got key takeaways. It tells me what churn prevention is, and it allows me access to implement a churn prevention strategy. There's so much more in this link. If you check out everything that is included in this, we've got charts, tables, descriptions, and even more links to more sources so I can completely understand how to calculate and how to adjust for churn prevention. So now I've asked it to give me an outline to write a clear and concise product documentation. It already comprehends what my product is, the meditation app. It gives me an outline for writing a clear and concise product documentation. Step 1, all the way to step 8. I could take that outline and run with it, but I decided to see what more this chat could do for me. Give me an example for product features of a meditation app and reference the best in the industry. That's exactly what Kraftful is here for, referencing the best in the industry. Here we go. It gives me key features and references the Calm app one more time, one of the leading apps in the industry. Guided meditations, sleep stories, breathing exercises, daily calm, music, masterclasses, meditation program, reminders, offline access, and a kids section. Now, if I had gone into this on my own, maybe I would have never thought about all of these different options. Maybe I would have just had a timer and a button to meditate. But now I'm aware that I could have breathing exercises and even a section for masterclasses. Now, that was just the specific abilities that Kraftful and ChatGPT could use to accomplish my goal of creating a new app. Just as an example, I've added another prompt with something completely different. Give me an example for product features of a kitchen knife online store and reference the best in the industry. Here's what it gives me. These are actually completely different, right? Wide product range, detailed product description, high quality images, customer reviews and ratings, brand information, knife guide. Now, this uses cutlery.com. Most people have definitely heard of cutlery.com, so they're a super reputable source, and it's giving me all the steps based off of their success. Kraftful is your online business coach assistant, right here by your side, at your fingertips with ChatGPT. These are just a couple examples of the ways that you can use Kraftful, but it's absolutely capable and can do much more. So I encourage you to ask more specific questions, dive in, and expand and maximize on what you can do with your own business.